First of all, you have to go to Kittl website, then log in your account. Then you can log in with Google, Facebook, or any other platform. You can also log in with email. Then you will see a dashboard. You just have to go to profile. Let me see. You can upgrade plan by clicking on it. Go Pro. Then you just have to add a promo code. It's Kittl. You have to add a promo code Kittl affiliate. Make sure it should be in uppercase. You are right now seeing there's a $15, but as I'm gonna apply the coupon, it becomes a 0. So you have to pay $0 for Kittl. Then after adding TED, you can have access to your Kittl Pro. Let me show you again. See, it's $15. Then you have to add a promo code. It will become 0. Kittl affiliate. There you go. It becomes a 0. You just have to add a card, and it won't charge anything, but you will have access to it will charge after a month, so you have to remove card from it or make the card empty without balance. That's it.